Nutrition in plants, saprotrophs. You know that some organisms make their own food. We call these autotrophs. Green plants are usually autotrophs. You know that some organisms eat food that autotrophs make. We call these heterotrophs. Animals are usually heterotrophs. Heterotrophs depend on other organisms for their food. Herbivores eat plants, carnivores eat other animals. Some of these heterotrophs don't eat other living plants or animals. They get their energy from dead and decaying organisms. Organisms that get their energy from dead and decaying organisms are called saprophytes. Mushroom is a saprophyte. How do saprophytes get their energy? They have digestive juices that they release on to the dead organic matter. That converts the material into a form that the organism can absorb and use. This method of taking in energy is called saprophytic nutrition. Organisms that get their energy from dead and decaying organic matter are called saprophytes. The fungus that grows on food is a saprophyte. Fungus can grow on many things. It grows on leather. It grows on clothes. It grows on pickles. You don't see fungus growing on a glass or on a metal. Why? Because these things were never alive. Fungus is a saprophyte. It can take nutrition from things that were once alive. So it grows on leather, wood, pickles, cotton, etc. How does fungus just grow like that? Fungus grows from spores. For now, you can think of them as kind of like seeds of fungus, though scientists don't call them seeds as their structure is not quite like seeds. The spores are really tiny and very light. They are generally present in the air around us. Fungus grows from spores. The spores land on all kinds of surfaces that they come in contact with. When they land on something that is wet and warm and can give them nutrients, they germinate. The spores grow when they land on something that is wet and warm and can give them nutrients. Warm and humid conditions are ideal for spores to germinate into fungi. That's why during the rainy season we see more growth of fungi. That's why we can keep food safe from fungi longer in a fridge. What did we just learn? Some organisms take nutrition from other dead and decaying organisms. Such organisms are called saprophytes and the nutrition mode is called saprophytic nutrition. Fungus and mushrooms are examples of saprophytes. Fungi grow through spores. The spores are present in the air. When they land on a moist organic surface, they can germinate. Fungus spreads faster in the rainy season as the conditions are better for it to grow. Did you know energy for organisms is carbohydrates, proteins and fats? Plants also get nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and other minerals from dead and decaying organic matter in the soil. Plants, however, derive energy through photosynthesis. They synthesize their own proteins and fats too. Hence, plants are autotrophs.